Hello everyone and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. On this beautiful day, we were driving out of Elementita and found this beautiful hidden gem called Utamaduni Resort, which consists of hotel rooms, a restaurant, a bar, a nature walk with all sorts of animals, a cultural center, and so much more. So let's take a look.
Problem is it will be dark.
Oh, nice. This is like a bed.
Yeah, that is a bed. Oh. So this is a Kikuyu homestead and this is the first tourist hut. Where they used to cook. This is the room for the mother. Then that one belongs to the children. And then this is where they used to keep the firewood.
And this?
Okay.
And then there they used to keep the food utensils. Yeah.
Interesting, really interesting.
And then here they used to keep the small animals like the cows and the goats, the kids and the calf, the young one.
Okay.
This is just a corridor.
Okay. If you have guests, right? Simple, just a bed.
That's the second one. There's the granary.
Well, you see, there's a lot of nice places in Kenya. It's just that people don't know. There's nobody here. We're the only people.
We are the only ones who have found this place.
We're the only. This is a gem. Finding luxury here. Finding you guys gems.
We also have other communities like the Kamba.
Kamba.
Oh, you have different communities?
Yeah, we have different. We have around 7 of them.
So, and this one?
This is for the test. For the test, they never have husbands. So the husband is
Wherever. Okay.
This one is the workshop. They used to sell the mouse, the pigs, and as such as well. For them, they were not doing the farming.
Okay.
So they never had the granary. Because then is a watchtower for the security purpose. Where the men can use to camp here and view how safe the area is.
Okay.
They had enemies, for example, the Arabs. Very interesting. Look at the mud. These ones are made out of mud. For us, we have used the normal concrete, but for the master in the top, they used to use the hydrants and the mud. And then they plaster with the red oak for the decoration. And it's the women who used to construct this. And we can have a bedroom. What has actually fascinated me is the birds. Look at how many birds are here. Apparently these birds like places where there's a lot of water. You call them what? The golden weaver. Okay. Oh, there's another one here. There are 3. Oh, there's another one here. 6 in number. Oh my God. There. One at the island. And then another one there. The smallest. Yeah. They camouflage well. Any?
You can't tell.
And that one there. This one? Oh yeah. They don't feed daily. They feed for the reptiles. They take their slow in digestion, so they require a lot of time to do the digestion. So for them, we feed only twice a month.
Twice a month?
Yes, twice a month. The rest of the days for the digestion. The birds are so beautiful. Really hold them. What ones I have seen here? These ones are normal. You want to hold one?
No. Do you sell?
No.
Why?
Because we want them so we can say. We want to move.
Crocodiles.
These ones are pricey now. They're pricey now.
So twice there?
They're that.
30.
Yeah.
So twice.
You need one like a pet.
Yes. Keep it the house.
Are you afraid of snakes?
Yeah.
But isn't snakes that's too deep? These ones here we have the speckled snakes. We have the red-head roofers like that one. You can see the one that looks like orange red, even the one on top. Yeah, the red roofers. We have the yellow street, these ones with yellow, even in that one. And the white-bellied snakes, and these ones are non-venomous. They don't have poison. Some like snakes. And here we have a man.
Then there's a lizard running around in there. They're the ones who threw it in. That's torture.
Okay, we have a mouse, but it's not. And
it's down there.
but you're going to see more there.
Why is it isolated?
It's hiding.
This one is a wild that we picked just near, so we have not kept it with the rest.
Oh, that's sad. It's alone. Yeah. Feel bad. Don't you feel bad?
Bad for what?
The monkey's all alone.
It's a monkey.
Doesn't have friends.
It's a monkey.
But within this week, it's going to be shifted.
Oh.
Pendo! 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 Pendo!
An ostrich called Pendo.
Pendo! Inakaa tu pendo.
Pendo.
Tumekwama.
Kitu siko na mguu kubwa. Sasa Pendo ni mgani? Hui.
Bukan juga. Oh, Pendo. Yes. Okay. You going to try? Yeah, but you hold it tightly. Like Pendo. Yeah.
Are you scared?
That's all I have. Then here we have Princess, like my kids. You go feed Princess. Let me. Hi, Princess. Princess. Princess akona matini.
Si ndio lazima Princess akuwe na mali.
Princess is one.
Only 1 year.
That's the
And the
mother.
other 13 years.
So they're not of the same species.
Imagine. Oh, bye, Princess.
Imagine
How it will feel on my hand. So you want me to hold it by the ear?
Yeah.
Okay, no. Maybe he'll do it. I'll let it go by the Bring, you do it. I can't. Yeah, I feel bad for it.
Okay, you're going to hold us now.
So cute.
This one,
Maybe I can take it. Can I take you home? You can have them as pets.
Yeah. And these ones we rear them for the time.
Are these hamsters?
No, they are guinea pigs.
Oh, guinea pigs. You said?
Really? Yeah, pretty sure that it was being kept. It has been crafted.
So it's not.
It's not real. Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is for the tortoise. The two are real. And this one is for the guinea pigs.
Okay. I just legs.
Stretch feather.
Wow.
You can
Nice.
take it like and put it in your house.
Yeah. This one is
This one is called the one, the calendar. This one is the mint. It's very good. Pretty look. This is the green one. Darang presents. Very nice. You can see how it is. It is black. This one is the same. Imeshinda imechini.
Oh. Imagine imeshika pesa
These ones are the Preston crane.
Preston?
Preston cranes or the Ugandan crane. Hizi ndo zinapatikana kwa flag ya Uganda.
Yes, I've seen it. The only two.
Yeah, we have to. These ones are the monitor lizard. Or Brooklyn keys like this.
Wakikuita brukenge.
Ndio ingine ukajo?
Ndio ile ndio inakaa baba yao.
It's huge. Sudan plated lizards. They feed on pawpaw.
Okay.
How do you guys know all this?
And these ones are non-venomous, but with those ones are venomous
Okay.
when they bite you. These ones are the pirates.
How many?
There,
One.
two of them. Zinaanga ndani ya rocks, ndio maana wanaitwa hivi.
Oh.
Hii si ndile tuliona nini?
Bushmeat.
Oh yeah, yenye ilikuwa pale Karen Lixen.
Here are the monkeys. They are here. And here are their parents. There is the mother. The one raising the leg.
Okay.
And that one down is the father. And then this one is the uncle.
Ah. Wonderful.
It's a family, so they can't go anywhere.
Okay.
It's a female.
Mmoja tu.
Bado ni mdogo. Nasikia kunanyesha karibu ndani. Narudi kulala, napenda nazisumbua.
This place is very big. You guys should think about coming here. We also didn't know it was here. We were just driving, and we saw the sign, and we decided to come and see. There's rooms, there's food, there's a bar, and plus there's also that tour. So it's a nice place.
There's also a place for kids to play.
Yeah.
It's a nice place.
Everything in one place. I mean, what more could you need? And then also, it's not so far away from the road.